Alright, so I'm going to start out with some jokes. So, a man goes up to heaven, and he gets to the gates, and he meets God, and he says, God, what do I have to do to get into heaven? God says, easy, just spell God. So he says, okay, G-O-D. So you say, good. So he gets into heaven, and God says, you know, I gotta take care of some business. Can you watch the gates for me? And if somebody wants to get into heaven, just say they gotta spell God. So he says, okay, it's fine. So now his wife comes to the gates, and he says, whoa, how'd you get here? Well, she got into a car accident and died. And she said, what do I have to do to get in? He said, okay, easy. Just spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I got a couple more. So, a man and a woman go out to dinner, and it's the woman's birthday. She's turning 80-something, and she comes home. She's feeling a bit depressed, and she looks in the mirror, and she says, "Oh, I look so terrible. I got all these wrinkles, and my hair's gray, and all this other stuff." And she says to her husband, she says, "Tell me something good about myself." He says, "Oh, your eyesight's perfectly fine."
Whoa.
I got a couple more smaller ones from Hannah Youngman that I do. I was only going to do this, but they said, "Could you please do more?" So here I am, do some more. There's a couple. So a man goes to a psychiatrist, and the doctor says, "You're crazy." The man says, "Oh yeah, I want a second opinion." The doctor says, "Okay, you're ugly too." I was so ugly when I was born, the doctor slapped my mother. My wife said, "We got all this stuff. We got an electric blender, electric toaster, electric oven." She said, "There's all this stuff. There's nowhere to sit down." So I said, "Okay." So I bought her an electric chair. The doctor gave me 6 months to live. When I couldn't pay my bills, he gave me another 6 months. Thank you guys. That's it for my jokes. Now I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do "When I Was Your Man" by Bruno Mars, and thanks to Rocco for playing it for me. He's ready.